Hello everyone, today I'm going to show your life easy automatic print and save utility tool. This tool has three main functions. The first one is printing out as paper version. Second one will be PDF form. Third one will be export to individual Excel file. In this example, I have only this list of reports, but you can create up to 240 reports in one file. One of the main benefits will be there are a lot of reports. You can select the one you want to print it. Click once, all of them are printed out. For demonstration purpose, I will not use paper printing function, but I will use PDF file and Excel export function. Let me show you how to work. I have a balance sheet summary, liability, and asset. It looks like this, and that. I want to make as one PDF file. Simply press Ctrl button, select 1, 2, 3, click PDF file. You can see balance sheet. After that, liability, asset comes together as one nice PDF file. Let's go back. Or you want to go only balance sheet with Excel file, just clicking it. Let's check whether it's working or not. In this case, export report here, double clicking it, you are able to get Excel file as well. Look at the data sheet. This is not a report, but raw data sheet. If you go back to list, unfortunately, it's sitting here, but I want to remove this data sheet from this available report area. In order to do that, let's go to setting sheet. You can see yellow box. In here, you are able to add excluding sheet, comma, data, enter. Let's go back. The data sheet is automatically disappeared. Let's go back to setting sheet again. For store location for PDF file or export file will be here. You can update this link. In my case, it looked like this. This will be the report I created a minute ago. Let's go back. Let's go back to list sheet. The next one is how to add new report into the file. For example, I have this bin lookup report. I want to add in this file. Let's do it quickly. Go to here, click right hand mouse button, go to more or copy, click create a copy, go to here, select utility tool, select the location you want to put. I want to put here, click OK. Then report 3s are moving here. The nice part is if you go to list, it's automatically created there as well. Let's select these two together. Create PDF file again. You can see two reports become one PDF file. Let's go back. Let's say you want to change the name of a sheet. Go to here, click rename. Let's remove 3 here and enter. Go to list. You can see also automatically updating it. Now I want to remove this file completely away. Click here, click right hand mouse button, delete again. Go back to list. This report is disappeared. For example, you have over 200 reports. The list will be too small for you. In order to solve this part, please go to Developer tab, click Design Mode. Then you are able to selecting it. You are able to adjust the size. After that, click Design Mode. That means Design Mode is off. I believe one of the main benefits is printing multiple reports at once. Second one would be you can create your report PDF file very flexibly. Are you ready for create this file? Then let's get started. Once you open practice file, it looks like this. Let's directly tackle VBA code. Press Alt F11. Now we are in the module 1, print underscore reports. For speed up, I already prepared the main structure of VBA code. In this tutorial, we will focusing on main VBA code. The first function we are going to build is collecting selected sheet name from list box. Let's go back to worksheet. At the moment, our list box is located in list sheet. Please click design mode. Then you are able to see name of this list box. Clicking it, you can see in name box, the given name is list box underscore print. Let's copy this name. What we are going to do is if clicking it like this, these are the selected one. In the macro, we will select these names. Let's go back. We are working on sheet 1. The sheet 1 is called list. Point. We are interested in list box, right? Close and width. We have to go through the list in the list box. Therefore, we need a looping. I will use if statement. If I equal to 0, 2 space point list count, press tab key -1. Close the if statement. Next I. So we start from 0. Therefore, we have to give -1 here. In order to distinguish whether selected or not, I will use if statement space point selected, press tab key, open bracket I, close the bracket. Then now close the if statement. We will redeem reserve space. We are using sheet to print. Control C, Control V. The purpose of this part is once we have a selected sheet names, we will put it into here. And then we need a counter, right? Once we have one, and then we need to integer to increasing the number. So we create like that. In order to put selected sheet names, we needed this first, equal to space point list tab key, open bracket I, close bracket, enter. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. Then we complete the collecting selected sheet name from list box. The next part is error handler. We skip it. After collecting selected sheets, let's print them all at once. Sheets, all our container, close the bracket, point, print out. That's it. The below parts are error handler. If there is no selection, sending message box like this. After that, we cleaned up the selected parts from list box, which going to be go back to worksheet. This selected part become cleaned up. These are the function for this. Lastly, we give a message box. Printing is complete. If you don't like it, you can deactivate message box. So we already complete the part 1. Let's move on to part 2. This part will be export to PDF. Before to go, I will copy from here to here. Control C. Go to module 2. In here, also same approach. We need to collect selected sheet name from list. Here, Control V. However, in this time, we are going to use sheets to export. Control C. Let's replace it. Control V. Control V here. The following ones are error handler. After that, we define our save folder location. Our save folder going to be this workbook names save folder. Let's go back to worksheet. Go to setting. If you click here, you can see save folder. Let's go back. Once we define our save folder, scroll up a bit. The next part is let's generate PDF file name. In this case, I will use this PDF file name here. Control C. Scroll down a bit. Let's go to here. Control V. I will call it report underscore, and then I will give you new format, which is going to be created time information, open bracket, now, which is a given time at the moment. The format will be this format, then and PDF. If you want to change the PDF file name, please go to here, change from report to save report or something else. Our save path is going to be the save folder which we create, and then backslash, then the file name which we create above. Scroll down a bit. The next part is export the selected sheet into one PDF file. Just use this formula. One thing I want to mention is this part. In this case, once we create PDF file, automatically the created PDF file is open. If you want to switch off, just change this part into false. The following error handler is exactly same as print reports module. Let's go to module 3, which is export to Excel. Before to go, let's scroll up again. I will copy from here to here. Control C, go to module 3. In the same manner, we will collect selected sheet name from list box. Simply Control V, paste it here. Luckily, in this time also we using sheet to export. Therefore, there will be no change for this part. Once we collect selected sheet's name, go through error handler, scroll down, copy selected sheet into new workbook. The next part is generating Excel file name. We already done in previous module. The idea is almost the same. In this case, I put export report. The format is exactly the same. However, at the end, I apply this one for normal Excel file. The next part, we need to save our normal Excel file. Let's add it here. Our active workbook will be this one. Control C, Control V, point, save as, top, space, file name is file name, comma. File format will be Excel open XML workbook. Enter. Let's close this workbook. Close and false. The below parts are the same as before. I will skip this part. If you don't like confirmation message, you can simply deactivate like that. So we also complete export to Excel. The next part is, let's go to sheet 1, double clicking it. What you are going to do is just reactivating it. Select all of them. Go to here, uncomment block. You are done. Before to go, let's remove error here. Let's go back to worksheet. In order to remove this selected one, just go to the other sheet, come back, and this is gone. Now I'm going to testing whether it's working or not. First, I will remove data part. Come here, I put data. Let's go back. It's working. As a test, I will create PDF file. Select this one and that one. Click PDF file. Let's check it. The first one is correct. Second one also correctly changed it as PDF file. Let's go back. So we complete our automatic print and save utility tool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.